Hey there, my wife and I just got done watching The Boogieman from 2023. It's 1 hour and 38 minutes long. It's a horror thriller movie. High school students Sadie Harper and her younger sister Sawyer are still reeling from the recent death of their mother. They're not getting much support from their father, Will, a therapist who's dealing with his own intense pain. When a desperate patient unexpectedly shows up at their house seeking help, he leaves behind a terrifying supernatural entity that preys on families and feeds on the suffering of its victims. Lisa, what'd you think?
I enjoyed it. It was a good movie. It's worth a watch.
I thought it did okay. It's of course done in a lot of really dark settings and stuff, so if you have a hard time seeing movies that are really dark, this might be a challenge. But yeah, I thought the story was done pretty well. I thought that the special effects were done well. The movie is 1 hour and 38 minutes long. I felt like it had a pretty decent pace throughout.
Yeah, it wasn't a part where, even the storytelling at the beginning kept fast paced. So.
Yeah, so it's definitely one that I feel like would be a good one for anyone who likes horror thriller movies to check out. I'll look and see if I can find a link to the trailer or to the movie. If I can, I'll put it below. If you've seen The Boogieman, let us know what you thought of it. I would give it, I would say 4 out of 5 stars. What about you?
Yeah, same.
4 out of 5? Yeah. But if you haven't seen The Boogieman, let me know if you're a fan of horror movies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!